Please leave a like in advance so that we can help other users. This is the path you have to follow. And to reach it, it's very simple. You go My PC, disk C, users, your username, AppData, local, packages, and you find your game. So for me, it's Plugtail, and it has the name of the studio that made it and the name of the game. Then you have to find system AppData, and then what you want to do is copy this folder here and make a backup of it. If you can't see the AppData folder, all you have to do is go here in Visualize, Show, and Hidden Elements.